Today, I'm going to build a very interesting and simple LED blinking circuit using a BC547 transistor. This project looks small, but it's packed with learning, and you'll definitely want to see how it works in action. The first component I'll be using is a 1000 microfarad capacitor, which is quite large in value and perfect for creating noticeable delays in a circuit. I'll solder its positive leg to the emitter pin of the BC547 transistor. Next, I'll apply some solder to the collector pin of the transistor and the negative leg of the capacitor. Now, I'll move on to the LED, the main star of this project. I'll solder the positive pin of the LED to the collector pin of the BC547 transistor and the negative pin of the LED to the negative leg of the capacitor. This way, the LED will respond directly to the charging and discharging behavior of the capacitor. After that, I'll take a 1 kilo-ohm resistor and solder it to the positive leg of the capacitor. This resistor plays a key role in controlling the current flow and protecting both the transistor and the LED from excess current. Without this resistor, the LED could burn out quickly. Once all the main components are in place, I'll carefully trim the extra pins. Keeping your circuit neat not only looks better, but also avoids accidental shorts when the wires touch. Now it's time to add the power supply. I'll connect the negative wire of a 12-volt battery to the negative leg of the capacitor and the positive wire of the battery to the free end of the resistor. Always double-check your polarity here because reversing the battery connections can damage the components. Finally, let's test the circuit. When I connect the battery, you'll notice that the LED starts blinking automatically. What's happening here is that the capacitor charges and discharges through the transistor, causing the LED to turn on and off in a loop. It's a simple demonstration of timing and oscillation using just a few components. This kind of blinking LED circuit can be used in DIY indicators, signal lights, and small hobby projects. By changing the capacitor or resistor values, you can also adjust the blinking speed, faster or slower depending on what you need.